What's up, my beautiful people? You know, today me there at the stoplight at Waterford and me see the motorcade of the PMP party I go down in a Waterford, you know. And I tell us the people them still are celebrating, you know, because the PMP them win the stronghold in a Waterford. So them are go down they go thank the people them for them support. Just look on a white car that we just passed my viewers and my subscribers. On the wrong side of the road, him gone, you know. Jaja star. But anyway, you see where I go on. People they on the outside of the car, on top of the car, on the window, and them not realize say these things are so dangerous, but them still doing it. While I was on my way heading down to Waterford, 2 cars lick up, and because of that be a problem, the passengers in my car, they were so afraid because we get caught up right in the middle of the passa.
I tell you, my auntie and my mouth not slung as say now. Me say this can't be civilized. These people cannot be righteous. The same Jamaican people them are war with each other over which 400 only damn are going. Where are they? Hello, you see me now with the boy we are going and face the brown boy and the boy me couldn't hold gun, you know. Me say one of keep gun. Because me, you know, Mr. Campbell I go my box it, you know. When I come to about move the character I will tell you. Really?
Yeah. Why you think I'm a drop myself? Because I'm seeing go again. I don't know where him having a finger pop off, you know. I eat me a town. Yes, I'm reach up another two. Because that's why you say it pop off. You think oh me go lay down. I think that he owe me for lay down because remember him a go fire so him a go fire so Robert. But you know what carry? I never see the whole aim who are going there be one of them Mr. Campbell. You know you say one me can't come out and walk because I don't want them there so. If stone can't fling in the face it a go.
Andrew want to war against each other. I don't tell war them to who take a couple club. I couldn't be Mr. Kevin back on my box him with it. No, if they have each other, so they need to eat it with something like a donkey. We couldn't have a gun, woman never get gone.
You say, Lee? Me a team over, me see man I go in vehicle a while ago. Me wonder where I go for. Yes, me drive and me say.
Me a watch them.
And then me a say to myself, no, so this was a suffering stone. When I feel so much up.
You know, they look like something. You see the girl in the clothes, orange shirt. Tell the guy for back car, the one in the vehicle.
People of Jamaica, when you guys are going to be civilized, stop make the politician they get to know all upset of each other. Behave better, deal with one another better, because me guarantee Prime Minister and the opposition, they're not behaving like that. Trust me, them people will sit down and drink and juice and relax and chat and laugh. But you don't want to do that, so stop it. So please remember, like, comment, share, subscribe, turn on the notification bell.